Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard font size of our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface. This is keyboard for default keyboard font size. If you would like to change this font size, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to general management. Go to general management and here click on Samsung keyboard settings, and here select font size, and by default font size it is set to middle level. If you move to the right side, font size will be increased. Okay, so font size now has been increased. If you would like to move to the left side, font size will be decreased. So in this way you can easily increase or decrease font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. If you would like to use default font size for keyboard, keep it in the middle point. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.